Today we're going to take a look at my absolute favorite tech stocks at the moment, Micron and Qualcomm. Let's get to it. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please speak to a licensed professional before investing in securities. So both of these companies are in the semiconductor space, although Micron is a little different as its focus is more on memory as opposed to chips. In fact, they're the second largest supplier of memory chips in the world, with Samsung being the first. Today, Micron had its ER, a very good one at that, and it reflected in the stock price as it increased 4% after hours. See, the close was 88.21, and this is the bid ask after hours, as we can see, about a 4% increase. When we look at the chart from Micron, we see just a very nice clean breakout that actually started all the way back in August. Many of the tech stocks since the COVID bottom from March of last year look pretty much like this. It's a clear trend line like this, and then now it's gone down a lot. Micron kind of had that trend start actually a little later. But any way we look at it, this is a swing trader's dream. Just a very clean breakout. The Fibonacci, every time it was tested, it proved its worth. First time over here, it just touched below the first Fibonacci level, not even touching the second one, as we can see over here. And then yet again, most recent one, same exact idea. In fact, if we look at the daily, we might have just seen the last true buy the dip opportunity over here at around 80 a few days ago. Because now tomorrow the implied open is right around this level. I bought into the stock actually in the late 70s a few months ago. It was right around this area. Aside from the chart, the fact that the semiconductor space, I'm lumping Micron in there as well, is more in demand at this moment than virtually any other industry in the planet is also obviously a huge case for the bulls. This has been the case for several months now, with cars being short on chips that they need to actually halt production, with pretty much every major automaker in the world talking about production halts due to that reason. Another big factor why I love both of these stocks is the PE. Micron's is in the low 30s and Qualcomm's in the low 20s. The latter is a seasoned company, but Micron is a little younger, and that explains the higher PE. All things considered, for companies with still massive upside, it's a steal at these multiples. I have a feeling that the slowdown in growth for Micron's case is due to the free fall tech stocks and the Nasdaq have seen in general since mid-February. I believe once that is overcome, Micron should easily plow through its highs. As we take a look at Qualcomm's chart over here, we can see similar bullish uptrend for this stock as well. The Fibonacci tested in the first level over here, passed it with flying colors, tested again, not even close, tested again, same idea. Now over here it broke the first one, and almost the second one it just bounced back. This again, just like Micron, might have presented the last buy the dip opportunity over here at these levels a few days ago. I have a feeling that the slowdown in growth from Micron's case is due to the free fall tech stocks and the Nasdaq have seen in general since mid-February. Now once that is overcome, I believe Qualcomm is the one that has more room to the upside, simply due to the fact of how much is drawn down, and undeservingly so if you really know the history of the company. However, I also believe Qualcomm has less room for the downside. So I believe this might be a slightly better pick. However, it has been extremely unpredictable. Good news after good news, and we either see it flat or actually going down. So perhaps the safer choice is Micron, considering its chart. I'm a little torn between the two, so to me it's a coin toss, and I believe both companies will have at least 30% upside between now and the end of the year. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for daily videos like these and market updates. Peace out.